Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys here with another packing video for you. You guys know that I do these every Wednesday, and these are trips that you ask me to pack for. I'm not necessarily going on them, you guys are going on them. So this was a very requested one. We are going to pack carry-on only for a winter trip. Now, there's tons of different types of winter trips out there, but this one is going to be the one that's just a little bit more common. Maybe you are going abroad or even traveling within the US, but it's not necessarily going to be snowing up to your knees. It's not going to be freezing cold. This is the kind of winter trip where it's a little bit mild. Maybe it's 30 or 40 or 50 degrees outside. That's pretty mild for me living in Michigan. So we will be packing items that are going to be waterproof, like our shoes and our coat, but everything else we are packing is going to be kind of just your typical jeans and pants and sweaters and tops. Now, if you want more of a winter trip, like going to Norway and seeing the Northern Lights or going to Antarctica, then let me know and I will definitely do a video like that as well. But this is the type of winter trip that most of you guys will be going on. Now, just like every other video, these are items from my very own wardrobe, and this is what I would pack. This might not be your style. Take my capsule wardrobe inspiration and do it exactly the way that you want to do it. I am going to be showing you all of the pieces in my capsule wardrobe. Then we will be doing a little fashion show showing you all of the outfits. Then I'm also going to show you the outerwear and the accessories. And then I will be packing it all in a carry-on suitcase. And then after that, we will be doing personal item as well. Now, one thing that I want to say about winter trips, they always think about how cold it's going to be outside, which of course that's very true, especially if you're not used to winter weather. But when it's cold outside, you really need to worry about your outerwear, gloves, hat, and your shoes. And if it's waterproof, that's even better. So do keep that in mind, because if you're going to be all wet, you're going to be even colder. But the number one thing that everybody thinks about is packing super, 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 super warm clothes. But if you are just going from your hotel and walking outside to go to, say, a museum, you're going to go inside that museum and you're going to be pretty hot. So do keep that in mind. I did pack a couple of short sleeves with a cardigan. I want to be comfortable inside as well as comfortable outside. With that being said, if you're doing something like a Christmas market or you're doing something where you're walking outside a lot, then obviously dress a little bit warmer underneath. Everything I have packed today is going to be great for both situations, regardless of what you're doing in the winter. Just remember, just because you're going for 10 days doesn't mean you need 10 heavy sweaters. Okay. So the sponsor of today's video is Kitsch, and I know you guys have seen their products all over the place. They are a female-owned global accessories brand, and they have amazing beauty products. These are the Rice Water Protein Solid Shampoo and Conditioner Bars. And you guys know how crazy I am about shampoo conditioner bars for travel, because these just go right in your carry-on. They do not have to be in your liquids bag because they're not liquid. Not only are these incredible for travel, but they are amazing for everyday life. And you wanna know how I know? Because I'm a hairstylist. I've been a licensed cosmetologist for over 15 years, so I know what I'm talking about. They are going to prevent breakage and help repair the damaged hair that you got this summer. I'm looking at you, my highlighted and balayaged friends. It's also going to prevent split ends and promote healthy growth. It is going to cleanse and condition not only your hair, but your scalp too, which is extremely important. Because if you have a clean, healthy scalp, it's going to promote growth even more and more density to your hair. It also helps lock in moisture and tame your frizz. These bars are going to last you probably about 3 to 4 months. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and they have no parabens, no sulfates, and no silicone. Most importantly, no more single-use plastic. This is a before of my hair right now. You can just kind of tell that it is dirty and needs to be washed. It has also been freshly colored recently, and I know that the rice water protein shampoo and conditioner bars are going to be great for my colored and highlighted hair. We're going to go use these and we'll show you what it looks like at the end. Our link is down in the description box and our code is LaurenKelly15 to get 15% off of your purchase, whether you want to get these shampoo and conditioner bars or anything else on the Kitsch website. All right, back to the video. Okay, so let's introduce you to the clothes real quick. I've got kind of a black and tan and green color scheme, a little bit earthy. Simple little camel color cardigan, a nice warm thick turtleneck, a mustard colored batwing sweater, a cream color little batwing sweater, a little lighter weight than the last one. And then I have a long sleeve black shirt that has little ties and is a little lower cut, maybe a little bit dressier, an olive color short sleeve shirt, an olive and white striped short sleeve shirt, a tan color short sleeve shirt. I have one fun little skirt because even though you're traveling in the winter, you still might go to a nice dinner or go to a play or something like that where you want to dress up a little bit, and you can always wear tights or even leggings underneath this. And this is the skirt that I based my color scheme off of today. These are just a pair of black jeans. And then these are my favorite travel pants that are denim, but they almost feel like a sweatshirt instead. Super, super comfortable, dress up or dress down. And these are just a nice green pair of pants, dress up, dress down, really, really stretchy, and they do pack up really small. As for shoes, we are going waterproof today, and we are going to bring my Vessi Weekender sneakers and my little Sorel boots. Even though this trip isn't a winter where there's necessarily a ton of snow, maybe it snows just a little bit on the ground, or it doesn't turn into snow and it just in fact stays rain. To me, in the winter, anything waterproof, especially on your feet, is important. When it comes to outerwear, I am going to be bringing this jacket from Athleta. It has a hood, it's black, it cinches at the waist, it's packable, it's waterproof. I love it. And if you really wanted an extra layer under your outerwear, you could get this nice little packable down vest. It packs up really teeny tiny in your luggage, and it's just really easy to stay nice and warm, maybe especially if you're going out at night or early morning or spending all day outside. And what winter trip would be complete without a cute little hat? And then don't forget your crossbody purse. I picked this one because it's brown and goes with the color scheme. And it's gonna pack really flat. All right, let's go put it all in a packing cube. Okay, so we are going to fit everything into this double-sided compression cube from Tripped Travel Gear. And you guys know now that after watching several of these Wednesday packing videos that this is just my new favorite packing cube now. There is not a capsule wardrobe that I have not been able to fit in this packing cube, and I love that it's double-sided. On the bottom is where you have the most room, and this is how I have laid everything out. We're gonna have this, this, this with this, and then this is going to be folded flat on top. And this is the whole bottom of the packing cube. And then all of these other items here are going on the top. So I'm gonna speed this up, but that is how it's laid out in here. And then you do the zipper and compress it down. I'll roll up my sleeves. Let's do this. And now we can press it down. telling you guys, this packing cube is magic. And in this packing cube, I have 7 pairs of underwear, 1 extra bra besides the merino wool one that I will be wearing on the plane, 2 pairs of merino wool socks that are short, and 2 pairs of merino wool socks that are tall. And then I also packed a bathing suit in case maybe your winter trip has a hot tub situation, and I packed a pair of pajamas. So today we're going to be packing in the Monos carry-on, and this is the color Desert Taupe. Now this one isn't mine, I actually borrowed it from a friend. She bought one after seeing a lot of my reviews, and I really wanted to be able to show you guys the color. On the compression side, we're going to put our big fat packing cube because it's gonna need to be compressed down. But then we also have the packing cube full of undergarments, socks, bathing suits, pajamas. And then in the rest of the area, I'm gonna put a little pair of gloves, and then I'm going to put our winter hat. Okay, so now we have this side of the luggage. This is one of the shoe bags that comes with every Mono suitcase. There are 2 plus a laundry bag. So I have my Vessi shoes in here, and that's gonna go right on the bottom. I also have my purse that lays really flat, like I said. This is that packable vest, like I told you guys about, if you wanted that extra warm layer. So we can definitely fit that in here, or we can even put it on the compression side if we wanted to. And then this is the Monos toiletry bag, you guys, and this is the vegan leather color ivory, and I'm loving it. In here I have sunglasses, I have my makeup, I have deodorant, I have my toothbrush, all sorts of stuff. There's multiple pockets, there's a zipper, there's even an outside pocket where I have band-aids and everything. And then of course I have my shampoo and conditioner from Kitsch that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. This is the perfect trip to have solid shampoo and conditioner. This does not have to go in your liquids bag. This can go right in here. So I do have it in the little bags that I showed you guys earlier, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag just so that if I'm going from hotel to hotel and these are wet, I can still put it in something a little bit more waterproof and pack them in my toiletries bag. So we'll go ahead and zip that up, put that in here. Now let's move on to our personal item, and we'll stick with the Monos theme today, and we will use the Monos backpack. This is the nylon version in juniper green, and of course it does have this Metro Classic kit where you can open up this flap, easily slip it on, snap it down, and attaches to your bag. So this is what I'm going to have all of my plane essentials in. Obviously this is going to go underneath the seat in front of me on the airplane, and then anytime I need headphones or medication or an eye mask, it's going to be in here. In the bag we will go ahead and put an iPad, we will go ahead and put all of our electronics, I will put a phone right there. There's tons of more room for whatever you want. I could probably also pack up the coat and put it in this backpack if I really wanted to. Back in the laptop pocket, we are going to put the laptop, obviously. And then there's a little hidden pocket right here with a snap on the back, and that's where we will put our passport, because that's where it belongs. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful if you are going on a winter trip. Of course, like I said, this is going to be more of your mild winter and not necessarily snow up to your knees. If you do want a winter trip for something like that, then please let me know and I will be happy to film that. Also, don't forget to go to mykitsch.com to go ahead and get your solid shampoo and conditioner or any other amazing items from that site, whether you want it for everyday life or whether you want it for travel, or really both. I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you're subscribed to this channel and that you follow us on Instagram, especially if you want to travel often and pack well like I do. Thanks guys, bye.